Okay, go, honey. No, no, no. Pull it so I can record it. Hey, Lily. Pull it so she can run behind you. Okay, she's so fast I can't even move like that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look how cute she is. Oh, I'm gonna miss when she grow up. Let her grab it. Let her grab it. Just, yeah.
But that's not what's fun about the game for her. To her, the real game is just the chase. What really matters to her is the chase.
Look at this jump, so funny. She found a spot on my white wall and she started to jump, but she couldn't reach it, and she like meow when she can't reach it. Seriously, she's like so upset.